about the application of CNC in the hardware field. Today, I will give you a detailed introduction. CNC computer numerical control is a technology of computer control. It can convert design data into precise machine instructions, thus achieving the process of machining parts. CNC technology is widely used in various machining processes in the hardware field, such as cutting, boring, grinding, polishing, etc. As a CNC manufacturer, we focus on the retail of hardware products, mold sales, mechanical equipment sales, and other fields. Our equipment and technology are advanced and our strength is strong, can provide customers with high-quality hardware processing services. For example, we can use CNC technology, complete various complex metal parts processing, such as door handles, window bars, furniture, etc. In addition, CNC technology can also help us improve production efficiency, lower production costs. Automated machining can be achieved using CNC equipment, avoiding errors in manual operations, thus improving the machining accuracy and quality of the parts. Meanwhile, CNC technology can also achieve small batch production of multiple varieties, satisfy the diverse needs of customers. In short, the application of CNC technology in the hardware field is very extensive. As a CNC source manufacturer, we are committed to providing customers with efficient services, high-quality hardware product processing services to meet the different needs of customers.